Hi guys, today we are checking out some rooms at Grand Floridian, a 1-bedroom villa and a standard room. So come along. Hi guys, today we are checking out some rooms at the Grand Floridian Resort, one of my favorite resorts and Disney's flagship resort. But first, let me tell you a bit about the channel. My name is Jamie Thomas. I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. So I'm here to help you to get the most out of your next Disney vacation. So if you are interested in booking with me, my services are completely free. You can find all of my contact information in the description below. Disney's Grand Floridian, as far as transportation to the park, it does have a monorail access, so you can get to Epcot and Magic Kingdom quite quickly. There is a walking path to Magic Kingdom. Currently it's being renovated and worked on, but usually you'd have access to that. And also boat service to the Magic Kingdom. So first we are going over to see the 1-bedroom renovated villa, and because it is villa, that does mean it is a DVC, so you can book it on points, or if you are not a DVC member, you can stay on cash. So those rooms usually are released anywhere from, maybe like around 7 months prior to visit, sometimes even late, a little earlier or later, give or take. It just depends on the inventory amount that they release. So the renovated rooms have a Mary Poppins light kind of theming. The theming that's going to appeal to both adults and kids is very elevated and lovely. So let's go take a peek at the 1-bedroom villa. Come on. Here is a 1-bedroom resort. There's the vanity, toilet. Ooh, beautiful. The shower, rainfall. Look how big this is. This is huge. We have the tub right here. Wow. Beautiful tub. Then a vanity sink. Hi guys. Okay, let's check out the master. Here is the bed, the lovely end table. To the left here is a giant closet. And then we have a table and desk. Got some Mary Poppins theming there. And then a dresser and TV. And then a lovely little seating chair right there. Love the colors that they chose. Very pretty. And then there is the living room. This is a couch pull-out or pull-down bed, and it has nice light Mary Poppins theming. Let's go take a peek at the mural. Oh, isn't that cute? Then we have a dresser. This is a pull-down single bed. This would be a good bed for like a child or a preteen. And we have a full kitchen right over here. Here is the kitchen with fridge and then all the amenities that you'd need from home. We have a Keurig with all of your Disney Joffrey's coffee, a toaster, and then a little kitchenette. You'll have all of your glasses and then plates and cutlery. This is your dishwasher. Look at that. That's your dishwasher right there. Let's see if we can find the washer and dryer. Oh, and here's your washer and dryer. Because this is a DVC villa, it will come with things like dish soap and laundry soap. So all of these rooms come with a little balcony, which is absolutely lovely. Here is a single sofa sleeper. So that'd be good for like a teen or a preteen. Again, with the little light Mary Poppins theming. So pretty. Little Mary Poppins themed. Super cute. Wow. Love the blues. And here is a little coffee bar. I love how they did the silver to kind of match with the theming. And here's the chandelier in the room. The flat screen TV and then some dressers. And right here we have a kind of like little entryway so you can drop your stuff. It's beautiful. Look at all the art on the walls. And let's check out the bathroom. So we have a double vanity sink. Really pretty mirror. Wow, that's embellished quite gorgeously. And then the shower and toilet. Showers, not as many tubs, but you also have the H2O. Love how they did the gold hardware. One big improvement that I like is they expanded the bathroom just a little bit, and they are doing those barn doors, because before it was a very tight spot for the bathroom. The door would actually hit the toilet, so this is a really positive renovation. And the tile's really pretty. Overall, amazing room. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this resort overview. Maybe this is a resort that you are considering for your next Disney vacation. If you would like me to come alongside and help you plan, as I mentioned before, I am a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. So I'm here to help you plan your trip, and my services are completely free when you book your hotel and tickets with me. You can find my contact information in the description below, or contact me via email, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com or www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie quote. Make sure to take a moment and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.